Try to dry out the mist out of the water ground. Try returning the rain. Try to wash out the red out of the setting sun. It's gonna rise up again.
Oh, it goes and rise.
How to restore the faith when fears a familiar face. How to finish the way. There is a silent rage that hides inside every breath, which never been put into words. Never let them call you names. Don't think you deserve the pain. You don't have to take the abuse. You're nothing but a victim, 'cause someone you're depending on betrays you, leaving a crime behind.
Like echoes and rise.
It's like echoes and rise one more time. Don't belong inside these walls. Well, that has become the law. Don't have to put up with it at all. Can't recognize yourself. Respect is beyond repair. You're counting down hours instead. Never let them call you names. Don't think you deserve the pain. You don't have to take the abuse. You're nothing but a victim, 'cause someone you're depending on betrays you, leaving a crime behind.
Like echoes and rise.
It's like echoes and rise one more time. Never let them call you names. Don't think you deserve the pain. You don't have to take the abuse. You're nothing but a victim, 'cause someone you're depending on betrays you, leaving a crime behind. Never let them call you names. Don't think you deserve the pain. You don't have to take the abuse. You're nothing but a victim, 'cause someone you're depending on betrays you, leaving a crime behind.
Like echoes and rise.
It's like echoes and rise one